Daddy is getting help undoing the dishwasher. Both Clara and Isaac like to help Daddy do this. We just hope that they don't get the knives. And they like to hold their bottle.
Thank you, baby. You're so helpful. We have 3 more. Oh, are you doing 2 at once? Oh, okay, just 1. Okay, thank you. There it is.
Daddy's nice butt. It's a nice view.
Want to get your spoon?
Once again, with the need for a mentor of sorts to the succession process, his name has certainly been on the rise.
Thank you for watching. Thank you.
We honestly don't know that he is. I must say, in all
That's such a big help.
Clara, Isaac, good job.
Oh, hi, Mommy.
Hi,
Mommy's
Daddy.
filming us. Yay.
Hi, babies. Was that fun helping Daddy? Oh, apple. Bottle. Isaac, was that fun? Yeah. Oh.
Oopsie daisy.
10-second rule. Oh, Isaac's taking. Aww, Isaac's trying to give Daddy the innards. Aww, oh, pushing it in.
Are you gonna take it all out?
Oh.
Apple? Do you want an apple? Is what you're saying? Thank you guys so much.
Hi, Bubby. Hi, Miss Clara. Is that good? Be careful. Come on, Bubba. Oh. And bottle down. They enjoy just heaving these bottles.
Oh, you're strong, Clara. You're quite the hoss, I must say. No, we're putting these.
Isaac, no.